You can improve your voice recording in Audacity with just a click. Yes, it sounds too good to be true, but your audio will be processed in a click. It is an amazing Audacity tool I developed with my years of audio editing experience. If you are into professional voice editing, this is a handy tool. You can turn your raw recording into professional quality in a single click. The waveform you see on the screen is a raw recording. I will make a duplicate and compare the original and the improved version. I will improve the bottom track. Select everything inside the track and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, you can choose the type of improvement you want. I have several types of improvement like Clear Vocal, ESS Reduction, Intelligent Improve, Interview Improve, Podcast Improve, etc. All these improvements can improve audio quality in a single click. I will show you in a moment where you can get these. I will apply the Clear Vocal Improve on this recording. The audio has become improved instantly. Let's listen to the original and improved audio to understand the difference. I will play the original first and then the improvement.
Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user. Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good to go. To clean up audio recordings using Audacity, you have to know some basics about the audio data.
So you see what a massive improvement I got just in a click. Installation of these macros is very easy. From the Tools menu, go to Macro Manager. You have to import the macros. Click on Import. You will get a zip file from me and unzip that file, and you will get the macros and EQs folder. To import the macros, select the macros folder. If you want to use the professional EQs separately, you will also get those in the EQs folder. Inside the macros folder, you will get some TXT files. From the file name, you would know which macro it is. Each TXT file is a separate macro. You have to select a macro and open. You have to import the macros one by one as Audacity does not support bulk import of macros. The macros you have imported will be listed on the left side and are ready to use. So where do you get these macros? You can get these macros in this Buy Me a Coffee page. I have developed 11 macros with professional EQs with my years of audio editing experience. I have a detailed installation guide in the description. So far, 149 people are using this and are happy with the result. Join them to improve your voice recording in no time. These macros come with after-sales service, so if you have any difficulty in using or installing these macros, you can email me. You can also find this on my shop page. To support multiple payment methods, I offer the same product in different places. You can grab your copy from any of these places. The links will be in the description and in the pinned comment on this video. If you want a free demo of how your voice will sound with these macros, send me your recording. I will send you a demo. The email and purchase link are in the description. If you are looking for an efficient way to produce high-quality voice, these macros are the solution.